name's Josh Josefowski. I'm facilities manager at Cal Solar, and we're building a simplified battery rack. It's super simple, all made out of strut, holds a lot of weight. It's designed to hold 8 batteries up to 16. You can paint it to design or leave it as plain. We start out with deep unistrut, and we also use shallow unistrut. They get cut to size and then assembled to form the rack. And we cut the plywood to size as the shelving material. It's 3/4 inch plywood, CDX, holds a lot of weight, and can be painted and sealed to your preference. There'll be 4 in a row here and 4 in a row on the bottom, which leaves expansion capabilities of 4 more in the back and 4 more in the back there for a total of 16. So this rack you can do 8, 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. Turn it to the side. You can do 6 across the top and 6 across the bottom, so a total of 12. Or the other way, same total of 12, different battery configurations, wiring, depending upon where your combiner box is at. Lithium ion.